Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Nos Creative Victor Graphics. If you are just coming across my channel for the first time, click the subscribe button and like this video. It helps us go a long way. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So in today's tutorial, we are going to be learning how to design a product label using our Pixel Lab. So here is the first thing you need to know before designing a product label for your clients. First, know the size. So we are going to be inputting our size for this design. Get to know the kind of container, the size and everything, so that you don't make mistake. And if you measure the size, whether in centimeter or inches, don't forget, if you are using your Pixel Lab to design, you convert the size to pixels. So for this one, we are using, for the weight, we are using 1900 for the width, and the height is going to be 450. Done. So click OK. So this is the size for our design. The next thing to do is to change the color of the background. In case you want to know the color code of this background, is F5FFEF. So that's the color coding. Okay. Then next thing, we import our elements for the design. So we're going to be using this lady. Right. Then bring in the shape. If at any point in this tutorial I did anything and along the line I didn't explain what I did, if you wish to ask your question, kindly drop it in the comment section. I'll try as much as possible to attend to it. All right, let's impute the name of the brand. The name of this brand is Pure Glow, so no need of typing. I've already copied the name of the brand, everything, so I can be fast when I'm designing. So it's always good when you're designing, get all your details ready. Pure Glow is the brand name. Then the product name of this particular product is then you can zoom. Whenever I'm designing things like this, I need to zoom to see what I'm doing very clearly, so that you can be able to align some things. So when you zoom, don't forget to zoom back too. Alright, at this point you can zoom back so that you can place the next element. Right, next thing to impute is other product details, like the ingredients and how to use the product. So we have to also put that. always lock your elements. Like when you place your element, always lock it so that you don't have to be moving it around when you are trying to input another text. Then for this we are going to be using Poppins regular. That's the font we are going to use, Poppins regular. That is for the ingredients here. For the ingredients, no, this will be for the ingredient. Then there is another detail we also need to add. We are going to be inputting the details for the directions on how to use it. How to use the products. So, alright, so copy, bring it up to the side. Zoom and bring this here. At any point you are designing, you don't seem to get what you are designing clearly, you are free to zoom so that it gets the information very well. Alright, then increase this a little bit. Make sure your details don't touch the edge. Like your details, it doesn't touch the edge of your design because of when it's being cut, so that you don't get to cut it off. This one is the direction on how to use the products. Alright, let me give this shape a kind of radius. How to use, then this one we have information on ingredients. Alright, so ingredients. Don't forget, if you are coming across our channel for the first time and you're enjoying what you're seeing here, please kindly like this video and share it to any of your friends, and also subscribe to this channel. And if you have any tutorial in particular you want us to provide, feel free to request the tutorial right in the comment section. So let's zoom back and take a look at what we have done so far. And make sure when you are designing, things are in alignment. So with our grid tool, we are going to make sure that the how to use is in alignment with ingredient side. Everything is in proper alignment. The next details that is remaining, we are going to be inputting it. First, let's bring in the barcode. So I'm going to be placing the barcode here. Okay. This is the key benefit of the product. The net weight of the product. Okay, right. For the net weight, you have it to be, let's use semi-bold. Use your grid to keep this to be in alignment with this one. Then text size, can leave it at 32, is okay. Alright, yeah. Bring in the size of it and place it beside it, so I can increase it a little. Change the color and let's give it fonts. We're going to be giving it some Poppins. Let's give it Poppins medium. We're okay with that. Okay, all right, the next thing to do is we're going to be bringing in shape here. Let's put the expiring dates. Okay, no, let's just keep it here. So here we're going to be putting in the expiring date and the manufacturing dates. Well, before we put that, let's there are some details we need to put. before we put this one. Let's put these details. These details are also essential. We add it. So that means we put our barcode aside. We put the detail for the storage. Let's put, first of all, put the detail for the skin type, the kind of skin is recommended for. So we come here, give it color. Let's give it poppins medium. Is okay for it. Then text size, we can increase to 10. And the barcode, you can release it very well. You can even place it beside it. Then there's other detail we need to also put: the storage, how to store it. Then lastly, we now add the caution. So you see, my details have already, copied it. So I'm now doing it paste. That's why you see me picking the details that way. So let's zoom. Like I said, always zoom. If you have any question at all in this tutorial, feel free to ask me in the comment section. So right, use your grid to make sure that this is aligning. So you take back your measurements, arrange your details. We are done with this. So we are done. Check mark. And that is it for here. The next thing to do is to add our what they call it, the expiry date of the products. We're going to be adding it here. So zoom to that side so that you can be able to get to see what you are doing. So I'm an MAF, that is manufacturing date. Used to see in products. Let's use 2 for 2025. Then expiring date, as you used to see, can be 21st January 2026. So that is it for this one. So just place it properly here. Change the color to color white. Then go to your font, give it font. This one we're giving it symbol. This one we are giving it medium, and this we are going to give a semi-bold. So that is it for font. Cut to here. We can zoom back, and then we are done with this product level design for this product. So we are going to still design the top cover of this product level design. So before we do that, we save our project, then we now design the top label. Alright, for the top of the label, I'm going to be changing the size. I'm going to be deleting every other thing here. And then change the size for the top of the label. Alright, I'm going to leave only this, then change the size for the top of the label, because this product will have a top. So for the top of the label, it's going to be 400 by 400. Alright, so you will see what I want to do. So here comes in this lady here. So it comes in, make sure this is properly aligned to the center. Lock once you get it right. Lock, then bring in the name of the brand, increase it, then bring it here. Take it up. Name of the brand, also take it up. So there is nothing hard in the top seal. So okay, then this I'm going to be placing it here beside that. Then for our image, we need to make it to fit in properly into this image. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select the image, then go to the mask tool, select the mask tool, enable it, select out, then move from the node, adjust it. If you need a tutorial on how to use this mask tool, you can request that and I'll make it available. Alright, I want to make the shape to fit, the image to fit into the shape. Alright, you see now the image is now fitted right into the shape very well. Okay, and then that is that. We can now save it to, and that is it for how to design a product label using your Pixel Lab. So once you're done designing, I'm going to show you how to present it in a mock-up. just like this. To create this mockup, all you have to do is go to your Google Chrome and type mockup generator free and click search. Then look for the website Render Forest, this website, select it, then click on browse mockups, then click on the search icon and search for beauty products. Then you see different mockups here. So for the particular one we design, I'm going to look for it. So I'll scroll down. So all right, here is the mockup here. This one is the one we use for the mockup. So we click edit mockup. So first thing to do is to, on the top label, you see the front label, the top label. So for the top label, you upload it and then apply. Wait for it to apply. So once it's applied, it will appear. Just give it a minute and we'll see it will appear. Then you now go to the front label. For the front label, just upload the file, then just clip it, then click apply and wait for it to also apply, just as, and you see it, the products apply appears. At this point, to download it, you just go ahead and click download free version. Unless you want to buy the mockup, you click buy now. The only difference is that it will come with a watermark when you download the free version. So that's how to simply present your product on a mockup, and this is how it will look like when you finished everything. So this is how it will is going to look like. Do you see how your product now looks realistic? So you see there is a watermark there. To remove the watermark and still remove it online, or you look for site that has free mockup and download. Tell me what you think about this tutorial in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to your friends who will find this video interesting, and click the notification bell to get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching Noscreative Victor Graphics.